Presenting his scorecard for the year 2013, the Delta State Police Commissioner said 116 armed robbers were fatally wounded, while 89 kidnapped victims were rescued by men of the Special Anti-Kidnap Force. 33 armed robbery suspects were injured, 236 cultists arrested, and 88 murder suspects were also arrested by the police during the year under review. A total of 161 arms as well as 1,298 ammunitions were also recovered from various armed robbery and kidnap gangs across the state. Also recovered by the police during the year under review were 107 stolen vehicles as well as 32 stolen motorcycles. The police in Delta State also clamped down on 17 pipeline vandals and 15 persons who specialized in stealing PHCN facilities. The State Commissioner of Police explained that there was a drastic reduction in violent crimes and criminality in the year under review, attributing it to the command's established crime-fighting structures and proactive machinery. He commended the state governor for supporting the activities of the police in the state through the provision of communication gadgets and vehicles to boost crime fighting. The CP explained that activities of the Delta State Police Command received a boost following several awards it bagged from international and national reputable bodies.
Policing remains a duty of the highest integrity. And again, for police to succeed locally, that's a mandate to achieve their goal. Members of the public, as far as they are concerned, they have to say that you are doing. If there is no cooperation, crisis cooperation from the members of the public, you are out.
The occasion featured presentation of awards to gallant police officers who distinguished themselves in crime fighting as well as vigilante groups which performed creditably. For Delta TV News, I am Emeka Chukujindu.